In today's video, you will learn how to ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Let's begin. We're going to create a new chat and start asking ChatGPT for suggestion-based questions on almost any topic you can think of. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it can give you ideas, recommendations, and guidance very quickly, as long as you ask clearly and specifically. For example, if you're interested in health, you can type something like recommend 5 books about health. Notice how specific that request is. You're telling ChatGPT exactly how many recommendations you want and the exact topic you want them about. Being specific usually gives you better and more useful responses. Once the response appears, you'll see that ChatGPT gives a full list of recommendations along with some details about each one. This can save a lot of time compared to searching manually because the suggestions are organized and easy to read. You can use this same method for almost anything, including movies, productivity tools, business ideas, fitness advice, study tips, or even travel suggestions. Now, if you don't like the answer you receive, you can simply use the regenerate response option. This tells ChatGPT to create a brand new answer for the exact same prompt. The new response will usually be a little different each time, which is helpful if you want more variety or if the first answer wasn't exactly what you were looking for. After regenerating, you may notice indicators showing different versions of the response. This means multiple answers have been created for the same question, and you can switch between them to compare which one you prefer. You can continue regenerating as many times as needed to explore even more suggestions. You'll also notice thumbs up and thumbs down buttons near the response. These are used to provide feedback. If an answer is especially helpful, you can give it a thumbs up. If something is incorrect, confusing, or low quality, you can use the thumbs down option and provide additional feedback. This helps improve the AI over time. Another example could be asking something like, food for memory. ChatGPT can quickly generate a list of recommendations based on popular brain foods. Keep in mind that responses may sometimes depend on the information available to the AI, so newer content may not always appear. Overall, you can think of ChatGPT almost like a personal concierge for ideas and recommendations. You can ask it for suggestions on nearly any topic, and it will generate answers in seconds.